Well, howdy y'all. Today we'll be talking about the planet 55 Cancri E, super hot, super Earth, discovered back in 2004. Man, that was back when I was a little tot. Where'd those days go? This planet got a pop star, 55 Cancri A. 55 Cancri E and its sister planet live in their home in the constellation Cancer. It's about 40 light years from Earth. Far! This big old planet is twice the bigness of the Earth too. And this fast boy can zoom around Papa Star in 18 whole days. This hottie is also about 5,000 degrees. Man, that's one hot boy. This guy's so cool, he's named a diamond planet because of his theory of diamond composition. Well, this theory is a bit less popular now, but it still exists. And not only that, but on this mighty fine planet, use gravitational acceleration is 2.2 times of the Earth. Meaning that if you were a total of 200 pounds, like myself over here on this boring planet, and over there on 55 Cancri E, it'd be a whole 440 pounds. It's almost heavier than my horse Buddy over there, and he's a fat horse. Man. Now, if we were to toss up a little satellite above 55 Cancri E, let's say satellite similar to that International Space Station we got floating up there around Earth, it would have to go 16,000 meters per second. To put that in comparison, the ISS around Earth only be going about 7,660 meters per second. Now come on, my grandma faster than that and she ain't even got legs, bro. This same satellite would go around 55 Cancri E 17.7 times every 24 Earth hours. Since the circumference of 55 Cancri E is bigger than Earth by about 1.84 times, making the circumference, let me see off the top of my noggin, that's about 74,000 kilometers. That means that every day, this satellite be going around 55 Cancri E for 1.3 million kilometers. That's the same as going from Houston to Alaska 195 times every single day. Now, 55 Cancri E ain't ever forgetting about his family either. And he's so loyal. He stays so close to Papa Star 55 Cancri A, he's only 2.36 billion meters from him. That sounds far, but even Mercury, our hot boy up in the solar system, is 57.91 billion meters from the Sun. Man, as opposed to only 2.36 billion meters, that's a lot. 55 Cancri E is also super fast. Faster than my boy Usain Bolt. 55 Cancri E goes around his papa at a whopping 232,000 meters per second. Earth only be going around that sun at about 30,000 meters per second. This means that 55 Cancri E is also 18,907 times faster than Bolt's measly top speed of 12.27 meters per second. 55 Cancri E does got some problems though. Like I be saying earlier, it's a super Earth, but also super hot. This means us weak humans could not survive the warmth on 55 Cancri E, which is only about 14 times hotter than how hot we bake our bread. This planet's so hot, it's in a supercritical fluid state, meaning the gases are in liquid-like state. While this planet does undergo some mood swings, like when it considerably cools off at night, it's still not suitable for humans. It would also take us about 2.9 billion days to get there if we go the same speed we used to go to the moon, which takes only 3 days. Man, just thinking about that planet made me feel faster, hotter, and interested. That 55 Cancri E sure is something.